Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Kung bago kayo sa channel ko, huwag niyo kalimutan mag-subscribe. Turuan ko kayo kung paano magawa ng ganito. Okay guys, so paano? Intro muna. So first, we need to open new project in KineMaster, then load our sample video. Sample video that we want to put our subscribe button animation or green screen animation. Okay, then click layer, then media, then select your green screen animation, then click the green screen animation, then scroll down to chroma key, then enable, just click enable, then adjust your video. After that, adjust the animation where you want to place it. Place in the right position or where you want to put the animation to appear. Just adjust it and you're done. Let's test it. Bago kayo sa channel ko, huwag niyo pong kalimutan mag-subscribe. Okay, let's just adjust it a little more. Again, just click chroma key, enable. See that the green background is gone. So let's test it again. Bago kayo sa channel ko, huwag niyo pong kalimutan mag-subscribe. Okay guys, that is how easy it is to put a green screen animation. So don't forget to like and subscribe and share it to other people. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.